Hello everyone, welcome to Amuda Academy. So in this video, we are going to learn about comparative statement of profit and loss. So this is the basic question. This is the basic question. By this, you can understand how comparative statement of profit and loss or income statement works, or how we can calculate. It is a very easy one. We'll finish it off in few minutes. Two questions are there. We'll finish it off in some minutes. No issues, right? You'll understand it clearly because it is a basic one. Let us start with the question. So, illustration one. Convert the following statement of profit and loss, or you can keep it as a income statement of BCR Company Limited into the comparative statement of profit and loss of BCR Company. What they are asking, the following profit and loss account, you need to convert the following profit and loss account into comparative statement, right? So how we can do that? What and all the items given in the question? Let us see first, then we'll see the format. Yes. So revenue from operation, which means income, correct? So some other income they have given for the company. It is a profit, both or profits only for, right? Not profit. Those are incomes, and they have given certain expenses, and also they have given income tax, that is 35% and 40% for 2 years. They have given 2 years data. One is 2015-16 and another is 16-17. So this is previous year data and this is current year data. You need to remember these things, right? So let us do, or let us prepare the comparative statement of profit and loss, right? Yeah. Now, this is the format. This is how you need to prepare it. The first thing is obviously particulars and previous year, obviously. So you need to always keep the previous year in first and then you go for current year, right? This is 15-16 previous year, 16-17 current year, right? Then absolute increase or decrease, whatever they have given, it has increased or decreased. We need to find out that. Let us, while doing the question, we'll understand that. Then you need to find out the percentage of increase or decrease. So let us solve this question. We'll understand it much better. The first item given in the question is revenue from operation. So the first item, revenue from operation. So what is the amount given in previous year? It is 60 lakhs. It is 60 lakhs. And in the current year, they have given 75 lakhs. So it has increased or decreased? It has increased. Correct. If you compare these two, you can or you can do this current year minus previous year. So 15 lakh, almost 15 lakh increased. Correct. 15 lakh increased. If you compare this, you can understand. Right. So what is the percentage? How we can get the percentage? Whatever change is there, that is 15 lakh is the change. Correct. So, and we need to compare with the previous year. We need to compare with the previous year, then only we'll get the right percentage. So, previous year's income is, or revenue is 60 lakhs divided by whatever the change divided by previous year amount, 60 lakhs, correct, into 100. For this, if you do the into 100, then only you'll get the percentage, correct? So what is the percentage? It comes around 25 percentage. If you want, I'll calculate here. So 15 lakh is the change divided by previous year revenue is 60 lakhs into 100. If you do, you'll get 25 percentage. Did you understand this? Yes. So here you write 25 percentage. The next thing given in the question is other incomes. So obviously we need to add it, correct? this is revenue. If you have any incomes, you need to add it, and if you have any expenses, you need to minus it. Right. Now, other income, you need to add other income. Right. What is other income? In 1516, that is in previous year, it was 1,50,000. But in the current year, it is 1,20,000. Correct. It has increased or decreased. Obviously, it is decreased. For how much? 30,000. That is 1,20,000 current year minus 1,50,000. That is 30,000 decreased. That is in minus state. So 30,000 minus. Correct. So what is the percentage? What is the percentage of change? 30,000 is the change divided by 1,50,000 into 100. If you do that, not 1000, it is 100. Right. If you do that, you'll get the percentage. Let us do that. So what is the change? It is 30,000 divided by what is the amount of previous year? 1,50,000 into, if you do 100, you'll get the percentage of 20. You'll get the percentage of 20. Right. So now both the incomes you need to add. So 61,50,000, that is 60 lakh plus 1,50,000. This will become total income. This will become total income. Right. So now in the 1516 they have given revenue as 75 lakhs and other income as 1,20,000. So total 76 lakhs 20,000. 76 lakhs 20,000. And now we need to find out this one. 15 lakh minus 30,000. It is 14 lakh 70,000. Here we need to find out the percentage. How we will find out? The same thing. 14 lakh 70,000. Whatever the change is there, divided by 61 lakh 50,000 previous year amount. So let us do that. We'll get the answer. So 14 lakh 75. Is it 70,000, right? 14 lakh 70,000. 14 lakh 70,000 divided by 61 lakh 50,000. You'll get the answer now. So you got 23.90. So what is the change in percentage? It is 23.90 percentage. You get the total income. Right. The next one we have toward expenses. Here expenses, so we need to minus it. Whatever income is there, we need to add it to the revenue, and whatever the expenses are there, we need to minus from the total income. Right. Total expenses given in the question is 44 lakh for the previous year and 50 lakh 60,000 for the current year, and you need to minus it. What is the change? Let me calculate it. 50 lakh 60,000 minus what is the previous year amount, that is 44 lakh. Expenses given 6 lakh 60,000 is the change. 6 lakh 60,000 is the change. And what is the percentage? Obviously 6 lakh 60,000 divided by 44 lakh, you know it already. 6 lakh 60,000 divided by 44 lakhs into 100, we'll get the percentage of 15 percentage is the change in expenses. So you need to minus it, you'll get profit before tax. So here we have income tax, we need to minus after profit before tax, right? After profit before tax, right? So profit before tax is, we'll get we need to minus it, that is 61 lakh total from total income, we need to minus expenses, then you'll get profit before tax, right? Correct. 61 lakh 50,000 minus 44 lakhs. You'll get 17 lakh 50,000 as profit before tax. Then again 70 76 20,000 minus 50 lakh 60,000. 50 lakh 60,000 equals, what is the change? Sorry, what is the amount? 25 lakh 60,000. Is it right? 25 lakh 60,000. Yes, it is correct. Now, we need to find out the change. We need to find out the absolute change. Just 14 lakh 70,000 minus 6 lakh 60,000 equals 8 lakh 10,000 is the profit before tax. So we need to find out the percentage. Obviously, 8 lakh 10,000 divided by 17 lakh 50,000. The same thing again. 8 lakh 10,000 divided by 17 lakh 50,000. Is that right? Into 100. You'll get the percentage of 46.28. 46.28, you got the percentage. Now, we got income tax. We got income tax. We need to minus that income tax. We need to minus that. So they have given in percentage, that is 35 percentage for previous year and 40 percentage for current year. So now we need to find out from this. So 17 lakh 50,000 is profit before tax. Out of this, we need to pay 35 percentage of tax. What is the amount? Directly, we will do the percentage. 17 lakh 50,000 into 35 divided by 100 equals 6 lakh 12,500. 6 lakh 12,500 for previous year. For current year, what is the amount? 25 lakh 60,000 profit before tax. 25 lakh 60,000. 25 lakh 60,000 is the profit before tax for current year into 40% profit, sorry, tax divided by 100 equals 10 lakh 24,000 for current year. 10 lakh 24,000. How we got 25 profit before tax into 40 percentage? You got this one. So write it down. For previous year 6 lakh 12,500 and for the current year 10 lakh 24,000. So this is the amount we got and we need to find out what is the change here. 10 lakh current year minus previous year. If you do that, you'll get the answer. What is the change? We'll directly minus it. 10 lakh 24,000 minus 6 lakhs 12,500. What is the answer? 4 lakh 11,500. Correct. This is the amount we are getting as change. And what is the percentage of change? We need to find out that and we'll calculate it again. That is 4 lakh 11,500 divided by previous year 6 lakhs 12,500 into 100. You get as 61, sorry, 67 18, 67 18, 67 18 percentage. Right. Now we need to minus the tax and you'll get the profit after tax here. Okay. If you minus income tax from profit before tax, you'll get profit after tax. You got this? Yes. Directly you need to minus these things. We'll minus it. 17 lakh 50,000 minus 6 lakhs 12,500. If you do that, you'll get 11 lakh 37,500. 37,500. And again, you need to minus current year one, 25 lakh 60,000 minus uh, 10 lakh 24,000. You will get 15 lakh 36,000. Is that right? Yes, that's correct. Now you need to minus this also, or we can find it out what is the change, right? 8 lakh 10,000 minus 411,500. If you do that, 398,500. 398,500 is the change. Now you need to find out the percentage. So 3,98,500 divided by, just will do that, 3,98,500 divided by 11 lakh 37,500 into 100. We'll get the percentage of 35.03. 35.03. So with this, we are finishing the question, and we have also have another question. We'll do it in the next video. So thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.